Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix preparing messages when you try to backup your messages and it's stuck on 0%. Then I'll show you how can you fix it. Just simply close this page, and if you have an Android phone, just simply open setting. In case of iPhone, you have to open setting here, and then you have to scroll it down, tap on general, then go to iPhone storage, and if you have an Android phone, just simply go to app management and just simply open WhatsApp on both devices. And if you have an iPhone, just simply upload the app, and if you have an Android phone, just simply clear cache or clear storage, and then check whether your POM has been fixed or not. And if the POMs are there, then you have to open settings, scroll it down, tap on general. You have to reset network setting on both devices. So you have to reset the network setting like this. Just simply tap on reset network setting, and then check whether your POM has been fixed or not. And if you have an Android phone, just simply delete your WhatsApp, and then you have to reinstall it again, and then check whether your POM has been fixed or not. And if you have an iPhone, just simply tap on settings, go to your Apple ID panel, tap on iCloud, now tap on show all. Now scroll it down and just simply turn off WhatsApp from here, and then you have to turn it on after 30 or 40 seconds, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.